tutorial on how to make a video that crashes Discord. Before you do anything, you are required to have FFmpeg installed. If you don't know how to install it, I will leave a tutorial video link in the description. With that out of the way, first step is to create a folder named Crasher. Inside it, create a txt file named test with this written on it. I will leave this in the description so you can copy paste. After this is done, save and close Notepad. After that, get an MP4 video, which I have right here. Rename it as part 1 and move it to the crash folder. Third is to insert this video named part 2 inside of the folder. I will also leave this in the description. Next step is to shift right click on the Crasher folder and open PowerShell window here, and that will open the PowerShell, which is where you will insert these codes here in sequence. Copy paste the first one and press enter. You will notice a new file has appeared in the folder called part2 new. After that happens, go ahead and copy paste the second code in the PowerShell. And boom, you can close everything. And here it is, the video that crashes Discord. I'm gonna upload this to Discord and it will crash. Like this. You see? But first, it needs to start. The video first needs to start, yes. You see? You're watching the video. Oh, oops. Oh no. I can't move a thing. And yeah, that's how you do it. Congrats. Now you're a hacker, man. If, by any reason, you want crash videos already made, instead of creating them as I taught you now, then come to my Discord. There is plenty for you to choose. And more will come along. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my Discord. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.